Hey everybody, Courtney Smith here with our Wall Street winners for June the 6th, 2022. And here's our disclaimer for June 6th, 2022. Okay, I think that the rally's over now. We called for the rally. It's over now. I'm pretty certain of that. Thursday was a very strong day, but Friday just gave it all up. Look at the purple predictor in the lower right-hand corner. While the S&P was making higher highs, the smart money was selling into those highs. So let's follow the smart money. Purple predictor leads the way. We'll get short again. Over here, what do we see? We see both the buying and the selling are very low and basically even at neutral, but they're both going down. I think the market is going to go down. Similar situation to the S&P here in the NASDAQ, purple predictor not making higher highs, showing that the smart money is selling this rally. So look for lower prices. Let's take a look at our seasonality indicator. We're in the middle of summer, which is a generally neutral period. So we're counting our seasonality as neutral here. Now over here, the utilities are still in the middle of what should be a bullish period, but we haven't given a bull signal. We're counting them as neutral. But if we break above this high here, we'll switch back to a bullish seasonality. We'll turn back to the bull side on utilities and go buy some. Now, this is one of the main reasons why I'm bearish. Stock Trader's Almanac has a great chart here, and the best one to look at is the red line. As you can see, we're now going into a period of protracted weakness. So we got the little rally, it's over. Now we're going to go down here. Now, interestingly enough, is in about 3 weeks, we should be reaching a low, and then we should get a significant rally at that point through July and August. But right now, bearish, bearish, bearish. Now, we did get last week, the rally came from the bond market. Bondholders liquidated their bond and they were excited to get back into stocks. Now they're going to get smacked down. The market exists. The market will do what it has to do to screw you. It got all those bondholders long, smack down into the dump. Same thing with the Risticator. They weren't buying things like utilities and consumer staples. They were getting frisky here. But I think next week's Wall Street winners will show that the Risticator will go down as well. Global shares, same thing. They'll start going down as well. Yield curve is coming down. It's flattening. Now, this yield curve that we're looking at up here, about 1.7, is based on 10-year notes, that's right here, versus 3-month bills. So it's still very positive. But once we get to 2 years, pretty flat. And we already went negative as well. So bonds, as I mentioned last week, I think we're going to continue to move lower on the bonds. We're going to start to get higher interest rates, which means that that yield curve is not going to flatten anytime soon. We already got the 1 signal, the 2s, 10s. We have not got a bear signal yet from 3-month versus 10s. Notice the purple predictor starting to come down here as well. Bond key factors, all of them spiking up, saying that we're going to have higher interest rates. The only exception is gold, which has come under pressure, but even it had a little perk up here. So look for higher long-term bond yields. Now, if we have higher long-term bond yields, we had this dip in the dollar. I think we're going to turn around, and now we're going to see the dollar go right back up to the old highs. So I'll be looking to buy the dollar here. Gold, if dollar is stronger, that means, oh yes, gold will probably falter. So the little rally that we got here on the back of the bond yields going down, it's over. And look at this. I mean, look at this. Is it bullish 1? I don't know. Maybe that one's making higher highs. But that one's pretty flat, neutral. I don't know. This is neutral over the last month, but it's bearish over the last week. So this is kind of like 120 or 111. The point is, you don't buy something that's so neutral. You just stand aside. Now, I've been keeping you long crude oil now for a long time, and crude oil is going to go up here. I think we're going to go right back up to the 130 area. I was talking to I'm here in Dubai. I was talking to an oil man earlier today. And, he's bullish. He's bullish. He thinks we're going higher. Now, those guys know more about oil than anybody, but they also talk their position. So we have to take it with a grain of salt. Bitcoin remains in this incredible sideways pattern here. Volume is getting very, very low. It's kind of a mixed bag to me. So as I said last week, I'm going to say the same thing. If it breaks down, I want to be short. If it breaks up, I want to get long. Purple Predictor is bullish, but the trend is bearish, and usually consolidations in a bear market go down. All right, freebies, love having you here.
Hey everybody, Courtney Smith here, and I just wanted to kind of reveal with you one of my secrets of my success, and that is I use a website called stockbutler.com. And the reason I use it is because it saves me so much incredible time, and it was based on my forms of analysis. The Stock Butler was developed by one of my brilliant students. Of course, all my students are brilliant, you know that. And he designed it around my technique for fundamentally selecting stocks. So all you have to do is you come here, you go to rate, you go to best of the best, that's the name of the technique, and bingo, there's the list. And then, since there's only 4 stocks there, no problem. Go up to rate, go down here to advanced stock list. I usually change this to main E table, update the list. Anything in green, I'm interested in. Now, I know that these are fundamentally powerful stocks. Now, all I have to do is go find the correct technical entry and exit point. So, Stock Butler saves me a tremendous amount of time, keeps me focused on only the best of the best stocks instead of wasting my time on other garbage. All right, everybody. We'll see you later.